Hello. Today I would like to talk to you about the gender of nouns in French. As you know, in French, nouns can be either female or male gendered. And according to those genders, we use la with female nouns, and we use le with male nouns. You see that in many other languages. In German, for example, you have the neutral gender as well. In French, you only have female and male gender for nouns. Now, when you start learning French, you ask yourself the question, okay, but how do I know, especially with inanimate things, objects, which one is female, which one is male? And actually, the answer to that question is right in front of you, because the gender of a noun will depend on its ending. In French, terminaison, the endings. So what you see here is you can see the list of typical female endings with examples. And on the right-hand side, you see typical male endings, noun endings, with a couple of examples. So let's see a few examples. On the female list, the ending E-S-S-E, like in the verb maîtresse, is a typical female ending. Or the endings E-U-S-E is also a typical female ending, like in the word la maîtresse, la vendeuse, la danseuse, etc. So here you see the list of these endings, and on the other hand, typical male noun endings would be here. I, for example, le maître, IUR, le vendeur, le danseur, IEN, le musicien, le chien, etc. So these two tables, and I will show you, they are not very, very long. They show you these different endings, and I'm going to make it visible for you, the whole table. So one way to predict or to learn proactively the gender of nouns in French would be to study these tables as much as you can, and maybe memorize the examples. And then when you see a new noun, you will remember, aha, this word looks like cigarette, so it must be female. Or aha, this word ends in ENT, le présent, so it must be masculine. So that's really the only way you can master this part of French grammar. Otherwise, you will have to learn the gender of nouns on a case-by-case basis, really.